this is CRK. You are watching short study with CRK. So இந்த சேனல் தான் நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. So நம்ம சேனல்ல வந்துட்டு NCERT சயின்ஸ் கிளாஸ் 6 to 10 வரைக்கும் வீடியோஸ் போட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். So next வந்துட்டு RRB SSC கான ஜெனரல் கவர்மெண்ட் ஜாப்ஸ்க்கான சயின்ஸ் ஜெனரல் சயின்ஸ் வீடியோ போட்டுருக்கோம். So next வந்துட்டு strategy. So all competitive exams வந்துட்டு strategy வந்துட்டு போட்டுருக்கோம். சரியா? So இந்த வீடியோஸ்லாம் அப்டேட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்குது. So last time நம்ம போட்ட strategy வீடியோஸ் வந்துட்டு so Himalayan rivers. சரியா? So இந்தியாவோட ட்ரைனேஜ் சிஸ்டம் வந்துட்டு Himalayan rivers பத்தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்த்துறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் பெரினியல் ரிவர்ஸோட வீடியோஸ் வந்து அப்டேட்ல தான் இருக்குது. அது வந்துட்டு அப்டேட் பண்றேன். சரியா? ஆல்ரெடி வீடியோலாம் எடுத்தாச்சு. So இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போற வீடியோ வந்துட்டு so transportation system. சரியா? So transportation system in India. So transportation system in India. So what is it in transportation system? We can be able to move from one place to another place. So transportation systems mainly we have classified into 4 types. One is airways, another one is waterways, another one is railways and roadways. These are the 4 major type of transportation system which has been used in our daily life, in our India and in our country, something about that. So first we have seen the airways. So airways is the first one. So airways has been started in 1911. So in India, airways has been started in 1911. So yeah, first airways has been started in the Allahabad and 19. So first aircraft system, airways which has been started, first flight system, first route of flight 19. So Allahabad and 19 in 1911. So first airways aircraft was invented by Wright brothers. Aircraft was invented by Wright brothers. So first pilot. So total in world, the first pilot is Pickett. So the first pilot is Pickett. His name is Pickett. So first airway which has been between Allahabad and 19. So in India, the first pilot was Tata. So in India, the first pilot was Tata, the father of iron and steel industry. So in India, the first pilot was Tata, the father of iron and steel industry. So these are the airways about introduction. So before there are 2 types of airways system. So yeah, 2 types of airways system. One is domestic airport and international airport. So yeah, domestic and international airport. So yeah, so domestic airport in India, there are domestic airport called as Air India. So domestically we have called as Air India, which has been started. Air India has been started before independence of India. After that, international airways, that is called as Indian Airlines. So Indian Airlines. So both Indian Airlines and the Air India has been combined into AAI, Airport Authority of India. AAI, which has been merged in the year 1993. Both Indian Airlines and Air India has been merged in 1993 by Airport Authority of India, which has been under the control of Aviation Ministry, which has been Central Aviation Ministry. So Airport Authority of India has been under the control of Aviation Ministry. So Civil Aviation Ministry. So the chairman of Airport Authority of India is Guru Prasad Malhotra. So yeah, the chairman of Aviation Ministry is Guru Prasad Malhotra. So yeah, the Director General of Civil Authority of Civil Aviation, Mr. Bowler. Civil Authority or Central Aviation Training Center, which has been present in Allahabad. The first airport is in India between Allahabad and Naini. Allahabad is in UP, the main major city of UP, and Civil Aviation Training Center, that is been located in Allahabad. So there are 24 airports, international airports, is present in India. There are 24 international airports which has been present in India. Aviation Management Research Center, Aviation Management Research Center, which has been present in New Delhi. New Delhi. Aviation Center, Management Research Center, which has been present in New Delhi. Central Aviation Research, Central Aviation Training Center, Central Aviation Training Center, which has been present in Allahabad. Central Aviation Management Research Center, which has been present in New Delhi. Fire Research Center, Fire Research Center, which has been present in Kolkata. There are two fire research centers which have been present in India. One is Kolkata and New Delhi. So these are the centers that belongs to airways. There are 24 international airports is present in India. In each and every state, there are a lot of freedom fighters and a lot of famous personalities. His name was to put the name of airports. So international airports, the India's largest and busiest airport, which is Indira Gandhi National Airport System. So international airport system, which has been total land area of 3495 kilometers, 3,495 kilometers. Sorry, 5,495 kilometers, which is the largest and the busiest airport in India. India, which has been present in New Delhi, Indira Gandhi National Airport System, International Airport System, which has been present in India, New Delhi. So next, highest airport system. Kerala has the highest airport system. Kerala has the highest airport system. Kerala has the highest airport system. Highest operational airport system. In Kerala there are 4 airports which have been present in Kerala. So there are 4. So this is the highest number of airports. So highest operational, that has been daily usage of airports which have been present in Maharashtra. See the highest number of airport system which has been present in Maharashtra. So first, India's first airport system, that is called as Juvi Eden Airport System. First airport system, Juvi Eden Airport System. So Juvi Eden Airport System, which has been present in Mumbai in 1998. First international airport system which has been present in Juvi Eden International Airport System, which has been present in Mumbai in 1998. Largest public-private partnership airport system which has been present in Kochi. Largest public-private partnership airport system which has been present in Kochi. So first international airport system in India, Juvi Eden Airport System, which has been originated in 1998, present in Mumbai, and the largest public-private partnership program, which has been present in Cochin. So next, most beautiful airport system. So most beautiful airport system, which has been in Ladakh, the topmost point of India. Recently divided in the Union Territory. Both Jammu and Kashmir Article 370 has been neglected, and we can separate the Union Territory into one is Jammu and another one is Kashmir and another one is Ladakh. That Ladakh has consisted of one airport system that is called as the most beautiful airport system, but in Ladakh, that is called Kusak Bakla Rinpoche. Kusak Bakla airport system in Ladakh. Next, which of the states, in which state how many airport system has been present? We are starting from Delhi. In Delhi, there is Indira Gandhi National Airport System present in Delhi. So this is the busiest and largest airport in India. And coming to next state, Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, there are Atal Bihari Vajpayee, former President of Atal Bihari Vajpayee International Airport as present in Uttarakhand. This is the by state to state we have seen the airport system. In UP Chaudhry Charan Singh in Chaudhry Charan Singh airport system in UP and Lal Bahadur Shastri. There are two airports which have been in UP. Chaudhry Charan Singh Airport in Lucknow, Chaudhry Charan Airport System in Lucknow, Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport System in Varanasi. So, Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport in Varanasi. And coming to Rajasthan, major city, pink city, that is Jaipur International Airport. Jaipur International Airport System Airport in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And coming to Punjab, there is Rajasthani International Airport System in Punjab. Before that, the Rajasthani Airport System has been named as Guru Ramdev International Airport System. Now it has been named as changed Rajasthani Airport System in Punjab. And move to Bihar. There is a famous personality, Jaiprakash Narayanan. That is called Jaiprakash Narayanan International Airport System in Bihar. Jaiprakash Narayanan International Airport System in Bihar. And coming to Jharkhand, Bisha Munda International Airport System. Bisha Munda International Airport System which has been present in Jharkhand. Bisha Munda International Airport System which has been present in Jharkhand. Bisha Munda International Airport System. And Gujarat, coming to Gujarat, there is a Patel Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport System in Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport System in Gujarat. Coming to Maharashtra, there are two airport systems. One is Chhatrapati Shivaji, which has been present in Mumbai. Another one airport which has been consist of Maharashtra. There are two airports. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Nagpur. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Airport System in Nagpur. And coming to Kerala, there are a lot of airport system in Kerala. Kochi International Airport System in Kerala. Kochi Airport System in Kerala. Kannur International Airport System. Kannur International Airport System. Kannur. Trivandrum International Airport System in Trivandrum. So Kozhikode International Airport System in Kerala. Kozhikode International Airport System in Kozhikode, which has been present in Kerala. There are four airports. One is Kannur International Airport, another one is Trivandrum International Airport, another one is Cochin International Airport System, another one is Kozhikode International Airport System in Kozhikode. And coming to Karnataka, there is a famous personality called Kempegowda International Airport System in Bangalore. Kempegowda International Airport System in Bangalore. So we have seen a lot of module. Once again, I will reply that in New Delhi there is Indira Gandhi International Airport System in New Delhi. This is the longest, 5,495 kilometers, and busiest one. And move to Uttarakhand. There are only one Uttarakhand International Airport System. Only one. Atal Bihari, famous Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee International Airport System in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And moving to Uttar Pradesh, there is two airport system. One is Chaudhry Charan Singh, present in Lucknow, and Chaudhry Charan Singh in Lucknow, and Lal Bahadur Shastri airport system in Varanasi. And moving to Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu there is famous personality Annadurai. Annadurai International Airport System in Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur International Airport System in. There are two international airport system in Tamil Nadu. One is Annadurai International Airport System in Annadurai International Airport System in Tamil Nadu and Tanjavur International Airport System in Tanjavur. Next we will move to Andhra Pradesh. Next we will move to Andhra Pradesh. There are three airports. Visakhapatnam International Airport System in Vizag, Visakhapatnam International Airport System in Vizag, and Renikunda International Airport System in Renikunda, and Ganavarma International Airport System in Ganavarma International Airport System in Andhra Pradesh. Ganavarma International Airport System in Andhra Pradesh. And moving to Telangana, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport System in Rajiv Gandhi International Airport System in Hyderabad. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport System in Hyderabad. And moving to Odisha, there is Biju Patnaik. There is moving to Biju Patnaik International Airport System in Odisha. Biju Patnaik International Airport System in Odisha. And moving to Madhya Pradesh, Devi Aliabai. Moving to Madhya Pradesh, Devi Aliabai International Airport System. Moving to, this is the largest, these are the 24 largest international airport system. And moving to one of them, Union Territory before, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Veravascar International Airport System in Veresavalkar International Airport System in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And there are, these are the international airport system. Highest number of domestic airport system in Gujarat. Highest number of international airport system in Gujarat. So these are the international and national airport system in India. We will move to waterways. In the next video, we will see the waterways and roadways and railways. These are the major strategic topics which we have seen today. So thank you. Share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt in this, you should comment. If you want PDF, ask in my Telegram channel. I will provide you handwritten notes. I will give to you within free of cost. There is no cost for you. So thank you and share with your friends. Thank you.